let's be honest, when you just start creating content, there's a secret dream you always have. Whether you're trying to create content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere, every one of us actually had this dream when we started. And probably some persons are still having this dream. And in this video, you're going to know about this dream and why this dream can actually make or mar you. Imagine waking up the next morning to thousands of views, notifications, messages, and subscribers. And you want to see messages like, wow, this video is amazing. I gained a lot from this video. This is so inspiring. You got a new follower and you want to imagine all of these things on your head. But what happens instead? 10 views, 2 likes, and maybe 1 comment. And that comment is probably from your friend or your mom. And there you go. Maybe I'm not just meant for this. Maybe YouTube is not for me. Maybe the YouTube algorithm has forsaken me, blah, blah, blah. And then you start thinking of all of those white things that comes to the head. Like you literally want the 5th video on your channel to go viral. You just started on YouTube, you've not established authority, and you want that video to go viral. Now, but here's the truth nobody told you. Going viral too early does not mean success, and not going viral early does not mean failure. In fact, if you're just starting, going viral early can actually destroy your growth, even before it happens. Now, the question is, why do everybody want to go viral? You see, we live in a world that everybody wants to celebrate instant fame. People post one video and suddenly become influencers. And then brands start reaching out. Everybody's suddenly talking about them. So when you're just starting out, it's easy to believe that virality is the goal. Now, but here is the truth. Going viral is not a strategy. It's just a moment that comes and goes. And if you don't have a structure behind that moment, everything simply collapses after the applause fades. Yes. A lot of persons that have viral videos will come, it will shine, they are happy. And after the trend that brought viral video to you stops, you go back to normal. And that is if you attracted the wrong audience. You need to understand that the people that go viral overnight is the exception and not the rule. And most people that even go viral are always overwhelmed because they were not ready for the virality that were coming their way. You know, when I just started up my YouTube channel, part of me was praying not to go viral. Like I said, when I just started my YouTube channel, but right now, I want to go viral for the right content right now. Why? Because my channel is already 2 months old, and by so doing, I have a lot of content that I've strategically placed in place. I have a lot of things that I've done on this channel that I know that, okay, when I decide to go viral, all these things I've put in place are going to make my subscribers to stick because they're going to get value from this channel. My channel already has content that will keep people by God's grace. So I'm trying my best to create content that are in line with my niche so that by the time I finally go viral, people are finally going to see my content and love it, subscribe, give me the watch time hours and stick around. Not the kind of virality you get when you just started your channel, you only have 5 videos on your channel or you only have 2 videos on your channel and those 2 videos are not even about your niche. Those 2 videos don't even have any clear value. Only the one that brought them to your channel is what they love. And the next time you upload a video, they are not liking it. Now I'm going to be giving you reasons why going viral on YouTube is dangerous. Yes, you heard me right. It is very dangerous for some persons. Let me paint a picture for you. You post something that unexpectedly blows up. Maybe it's a funny clip, a rant, or just a quick trend. And overnight, you gain thousands of followers. And then you wake up excited and then you're like, finally, it has happened. But suddenly you realize that people actually followed you for just that one thing. They are not connected to you or your message. When you post something different, your engagement drops like a stone. And then you start feeling anxious, you're asking yourself, what happened? Why don't they care anymore? And then your engagement starts dropping and the algorithm starts punishing you for a drop in your engagement. Now, when the trend was going on, you usually have green. All your video is green, your watch time is green, your impression click-through rate is green, and all of a sudden it starts dropping. The algorithm start punishing you because all of those green will start turning to light black and everything, all the arrows are going down. And you start asking yourself, what's the problem? And that's the trap. That's the trap of going viral for the wrong reasons. You simply became known for something you did not plan to build your brand around. When you go viral too soon, you're just starting your channel and then you suddenly go viral. You are just going to get stuck in what I call identity crisis of content creation. And then you forget yourself and start questioning yourself if you should keep posting what went viral even when you did not enjoy it. Like you posted the content because it's going viral, but you never enjoyed that you never enjoyed making that content, but because you wanted to go viral, you just posted it. And you start asking yourself, should you keep on posting that even when you're not enjoying it? So you start asking yourself if you should change your niche to what people likes. Now it's now about people, not about what you love. When it is not people that will create that content for you, it is not people that are going to make research for the kind of videos you're going to make. It is not people that will sit down and film the video. Now, you forget about yourself. You're now thinking of other people. This is what virality causes. Virality at the wrong time and for the wrong reason. This is what it causes. And then you are scared. You're even scared to make a video. What if I post my next video and it flops and people don't get to watch it? Now, by so doing, you begin to create content from a place of fear and not purpose. You are no longer being creative. You are being reactive. And this is where burnout simply happens, because you are constantly trying to recreate a moment instead of building a mission. A viral moment without a mission will simply lead to burnout, will always lead to frustration. Now, here is the power of slow and intentional growth. So slow growth is actually a blessing in disguise. Yes, you heard me right. When your growth is slow, you have time to make mistakes quietly, can test different video styles, tones, thumbnails, captions, and figure out what truly works for you. You build your confidence to understand your audience deeply. You learn what makes your audience stay. And then you also build emotional discipline. You learn to handle low views without giving up. I'm at that point in my content creation journey that I no longer care if friends and family watches my video. I no longer care if I get low views. I no longer feel bad when I get low views. Just have it at the back of my mind that I am building a brand. I am not desperate for monetization. Yes, I need the money, but I'm not desperate for monetization. You know why? I'm not desperate to get 1,000 subscribers very fast, 4,000 watch time hours very fast. And that is because I want my growth to be intentional. I want to be monetized and be getting a lot of views. I see a lot of persons, they hurry their way to get their 4,000 watch time hours. They do sub for sub to get 1,000 subscribers. And at the end of the day, they finally get, some people even buy watch time hours. And when they finally get monetized, they start getting low views. You learn to handle low views without giving up. You learn to be consistent even when no one is watching. And this is simply what separates those who last and those people who appear and disappear in a moment. Every overnight success you see today spends months or even years laying a foundation when no one was simply watching. Check the stories of a lot of YouTubers today. Go and read the biography of Mr. Beast, who is the biggest YouTuber. Read the biography of vidIQ. Read the biography of TubeBuddy. Read the biography of Think Media about YouTube. Go and ask all of them. They are big YouTubers today and you want to be like them. There are a lot of big YouTubers and your favorite YouTubers. You want to be like them. You want to post videos today and you want to get a lot of views like them. Not knowing that it didn't just happen like that. A lot of them actually struggled. We're in a time on YouTube that you can easily grow very fast. Unlike their own days, Mr. Beast uploaded up to 300 videos before he was able to get 1,000 subscribers. And in your own case, somebody is making a video out there trying to tell you that you can get 1,000 subscribers in just 2 days, in just 1 day, as a new YouTuber. It can happen for people that are already big on YouTube. And if you watch it very well, those people that are creating those videos about, I got 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, I got 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. Those are people that already have audience on YouTube. Those are people that YouTube already knows their channel. YouTube has figured out their audience. And by the time they make a video, it will surely go viral. They can even get 5,000 subscribers in a day. But you are just starting on YouTube. You and I are just starting up on YouTube. You don't need to give yourself the pressure of you want to get 1,000 subscribers today in 24 hours. It doesn't work like that. YouTube is still figuring out who your audience are. YouTube is still trying to figure out where they should send your views to. And if you're here, you've done sub for sub, you've attracted the wrong audience to yourself, it will be harder for you. You can check across my channel. I made a video on why small YouTubers gather here. You know, a lot of times you go to comment section, a lot of creators, and then you're seeing comments like, small YouTubers gather here. Instead of you to watch the video and drop a meaningful comment relating to what that video is all about, and then you're seeing comments like, small YouTubers gather here, And then small YouTubers, of course, are under that comment section. They are subscribing to one another's channel. And at the end of the day, they are not even watching the videos. If you have attracted the wrong audience to yourself by doing this, please watch that video. I've posted a video on my channel on why small YouTubers gather here will destroy your channel. I have a lot of things to say in that video. Please watch that video. Please remember this. Slow growth simply builds roots. Viral growth builds exposure. It's better to build your foundation from the roots. Don't just go up and then just blow like that and your foundation is shaking. Now, the algorithm does not even care about your viral dreams. It cares about your patterns. If you post one random video that goes viral and then you start posting something totally different, the algorithm gets confused. Your subscribers are going to get confused. The subscribers that subscribe to your channel from your viral videos will get confused. And when the algorithm gets confused, it doesn't know whom to send your videos to. And how do you think that video is going to do well? But when you post consistently around a clear topic, the algorithm learns who your audience is. And then the algorithm says, oh, people who like this type of content will also like Debbie's content. That is when you now see that, okay, YouTube will start suggesting your video to more people. Now, let's say, for instance, somebody watches a video from vidIQ. And then you know that you also create similar content to vidIQ. By the time somebody finishes watching vidIQ's video, YouTube is going to recommend your video to them because they know that the person is watching similar thing. But imagine you posting different things every time. You're posting different things every time. YouTube doesn't even know who your audience are. There's no way they're going to suggest that video. This is simply how the algorithm works. If YouTube is able to know your audience and know that, okay, your audience watches similar things, you start building steady traffic. It's going to keep on recommending your videos to people after they finish watching a particular video. They know it is known for your channel. This is how you simply start building traffic. Consistency builds virality every single time. So if you're just starting out, simply stop chasing views. Instead, chase value. Build your brand. Now, focus on these 4 things instead. Number 1 is your message. Know exactly what you want people to get from your content. Number 2 is the quality of your message. Don't just expose anything. Make each video to be more quality than the ones you've uploaded previously. Try to build a connection with your subscribers or your viewers. Always talk to them like a friend, not like a presenter. Learn to be consistent. Even once a week is better than disappearing. Simply build a system, not a lucky break. Now, bear this at the back of your mind that you're not trying to be famous. You are trying to be valuable. Now, because value is what will keep bringing people back to your channel to keep watching your videos. And even when you're not trending, they will still keep coming back. One of the hardest parts of being a creator is staying motivated even when no one is watching. You post videos that get ignored even when your thumbnails are good and everything is perfect and still be ignored. But every one of these single moments is actually building you. You're developing the strategies that successful creators develop even when the pressures are high. You are building your mindset to keep creating your content even when the results are not showing. So instead of asking, when will I go viral? You start asking, how can I become the creator that deserves to go viral? And at this point in my channel, this is what I keep asking myself. When do I become the creator that deserves to go viral? And not going viral right now might actually be the best thing that has happened to you. Because this stage, the stage where nobody knows your name, is your training stage. You can experiment freely. You can make mistakes without being judged by millions of people. Do you know what celebrities face every day? Do you know the truths? Can you even withstand it at this level in your journey? But if you don't go viral right now, you are able to make mistakes without anybody even noticing, without anybody judging you. You can discover your voice, your flow, and your rhythm silently. And when the spotlight eventually comes, you will be ready for it. You won't crumble under pressure. You won't be scared of judgment. And then you say, I have been preparing for this. So the next time you upload and your post does not go viral, don't be discouraged. You are not behind. You are simply building right. Every video, every lesson is part of your story. And one day, when your name is everywhere, you will look back and realize the journey was simply preparing you for the stage you are about to stand on. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you're going to get notified. Do well to check out these videos on your screen. You're going to learn a lot from it. And please do well to share this video too, so that a whole lot of creators, especially to small creators, they're going to see it and get encouraged. Thank you for watching. Bye.